Hello, this is your friendly handyman. I'll be teaching you how to light a gas fireplace. If you like it, like this video, like and subscribe. I'd like to get my content out, teaching people on different home improvements. So first we're going to come down here, and right there, it's kind of like a water heater, has the pilot light on, but the gas is off. Right there's the gas. I'm going to turn the gas on. Turn the gas on. Where are you at? Let me get my flashlight off. The gas valve is right there. And I turn it on. Come on, come on, come on. Gas is on. Now I turn that thing to pilot light. And it's on pilot. Just line it up, that red arrow to pilot light. And then I just follow that tube where it comes to light like a water heater. And then let me set you down. I'm gonna hold this button down. And as you can see, it's lit. You gotta hold it down and it like builds electricity, and then it'll keep a light. So I'm gonna hold it down for a little bit. Just bear with me. I'm going to show you how it works. These are like fake logs. They're kind of made like hard. They won't catch fire or anything. They're like rocks, sort of. And I'm going to let it go. You can usually hold it down for a couple minutes. I think it should be all right. Yeah, see, I let go and it stayed on, the light. So now I'm going to go down here and turn it to on. Okay, I turned it to on. I'm gonna put the cover back on. Put this cover back on. Just like that. I put the cover back on. The pilot light is lit. I'm going to close these chain deals, just like that. Okay, the pilot light is lit. That's your fireplace. I'm going to shut these blinds off so you can see how it looks. It'll make it look a little better. That's the fireplace. Then they got like a light switch right here which controls it. I'll hit the light switch. See how it burned up? Pretty cool, huh? I like it. Yeah, like if you move in, they have one of those fireplaces, or these apartments come with these fireplaces. They're pretty neat. And then I want to shut it off. Come to the light switch, hit it off, and it's off. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll be showing more tips on home improvements and just education, just to learn how things work. And it's always cool if you like to learn to do stuff on your own. Like and subscribe my videos and help me get my channel out there, so I can be teaching more home improvements. And then for the guys that like to get into maintenance, apartment maintenance technician, you get to learn so many things, working on changing light switches, working on stoves, refrigerators, dishwashers, installing faucets, sinks, repairing drawers because they go wear and tear, installing blinds, just getting an apartment beautiful for the next time people will be moving in. Learn to put exhaust fans in, install toilets, shower heads, change shower cartridges. You can see a beautiful tub. Even when the towel bars break, I show you how to fix those. Replace toilet seats, of course. Put new pop-ups, new faucets. Replace doors. I'll be showing those later on in another video. Put in doorknobs. Texture, and I did a texture right here, as you can see, somewhat with the patch. I don't have a hopper, so I use can or a sponge texture, so I match it pretty close. But I'm thinking of getting a hopper to help place smoke alarms. So like and subscribe my video, and I'll be teaching some more stuff. Thank you. Your friendly handyman.